Hello friends, in this video I will show how to instantly copy and paste effects in Illustrator. So firstly, double click on this eyedrop per tool and check this box appearance here in pickup and applies. So in case it's not selected, so select appearance in both and unselect this character style. If it's selected, so unselect. In both way, then click on OK. Now type any text here. Adjust the size for your text. Now click on eyedrop and select any text which you want to apply and you want to copy the effect. You can find free. Download. So this is the way you can copy effect in Illustrator. Similarly, you need another. Similarly, you need to another style. So open any browser and just search text effect and find out EPS file. By the right. So thanks for watching.